Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And as I said right yesterday, do not go ahead and buy as soon as we go above this trend line, right? I said wait for price action, and that's why I said, right? Because if you see Bank Nifty especially opened with a very big gap up, right? Nifty opened with a small gap up, but Bank Nifty opened with a very big gap up, and that was the best place for everyone to become bullish, right? And that is also the best place for big institutions to come and sell their positions. From there, if you see, pretty much Bank Nifty opened with a gap up, right? And it was a breakout, and Bank Nifty gave a breakout failure, went down throughout the day till 45,700, as I said, and then again rebounded from there. And now, right now, there will be a little bit of confusion and volatility in the market. I mean, the volatility will continue. Even today, there was a lot of volatility, right? If you see such big pullbacks, will definitely hit your stop loss and then your target will come. Same thing with Nifty also. If you see, not really showing very good momentum on the downside, right? We were expecting a good momentum. If this breaks, at least till like the low of this channel over here, right? But even that did not come, right? If you see, so I think the volatility could continue tomorrow also. So for tomorrow, trade a little bit less quantity. We will go ahead and go aggressive on the expiry day itself, or maybe on Friday. But for now, keep your quantity a little less, because the way the market has given closing, right? If the markets would have given closing near the day low, I would have been bearish and I would have said, okay, you can go aggressive on the selling side over here, right? But the way the markets have given closing over here, it's kind of hard to determine where the market will go, right? Definitely this is a bullish sign. I'm not saying that the market can't go bullish from here, but it's like we need to give markets some time to exactly decide when and where it will go, right? So for tomorrow, if we open with a gap up, say somewhere above 46,000, right, there will be one trade that you can take, is that if you open somewhere near 46,100, 46,050, and spend some time below this low itself, right? Maybe till the second half, maybe till 1 p.m. below this low. And then if we try to break out, then we'll get a very, very good breakout. An easy move you will get till at least 46,300, right? That is a trade that you can take if you open with a gap up and spend some time over here, right? If that does not happen, if you open flat, if you open the small gap down, say somewhere near 45,700, if you open somewhere below 46,000, with a gap up below 46,000, then we'll do nothing, right? Because we'll let the market trade one day. We'll see where the market is going, what exactly is happening in the market, and then we'll go ahead and take a trade, right? I also went ahead and squared off my 46,000 C. When I saw this buying coming in over here, I squared it off at 120 rupees. I got like 260 rupees, and it was more than enough, right? I got like 1 is to more than 1 is to 7 risk to reward ratio on that trade. And I'll also make videos on how to get like such good risk to rewards, right? 1 is to 7, 1 is to 10, whatever. So just stay tuned for that also, right? Anyways, if we open the gap down, right, somewhere near say 46,007, 45,700, 45,600, all these levels, and if we start crossing this, you can take one more trade till 45,500 to 520, right? This zone till over here, right? But keep your quantity less, because something like this may happen where markets may go down, right? Go down halfway till like 550, 560, may again reverse from there, right? So keep your quantity low. So if you open the gap down and start crossing today's low, uh, or 45,630, you guys can go ahead and take a short trade over here till 45,000 for 100 points only. Do not take more than that, because there is good support over here, right? This whole zone is a very good support. If I could show you guys in the volume profile over here, just let it load for a second. So basically, if you guys could see over here, right? I don't know why it's not loading. So basically, if you see, right, there will be, yeah, if you see over here, there are very big candles over here. That means this zone over here is a very good support, right? Again, I'll also make a detailed video about volume profile in the coming days. But for now, if you see these big candles over here, right, in volume profile, that means somebody has went. There is a lot of activity happening in this area of the market. So when the market will again come down, right, it will take a little bit of support and then again it could start moving up. So we will not go very aggressive until this zone is broken. Once this zone is broken, we can go aggressive on the downside also, but I don't think that will happen tomorrow. So anyway, that was for Bank Nifty. Talking about Nifty over here, if you see, Nifty also is a little bit, volatile. What you can do in Nifty is take a bullish trade over here above 19,710. You guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade. Your target will be 19,770 to 770 to 765 on the upside, because this zone is a good resistance for Nifty. So maybe a Nifty might come again till here, get a little bit volatile, maybe consolidate and then break out. Maybe tomorrow also. It may break out tomorrow or maybe break out day after tomorrow. But yeah, this will be your target. But keep your quantity low. Once we get a proper confirmation, then we'll go ahead and trade aggressively in Nifty also. On the downside, if we open with a gap down, then you can go ahead and take a short trade over here, but keep your quantity less. Again, keep your quantity less. Keep target till 90,575 to 580, only that much. Do not go for very big targets at this point, because markets are a little volatile. So once we get a proper direction, we'll go aggressive again, right? If you open flat and start crossing, you can go ahead and buy. If you open with a gap up, small gap up somewhere near 19,720, 730, then we'll wait for a pullback and then we'll go ahead and buy. But again, if we open with a very big gap up somewhere near 19,750, 60, all these levels, then maybe we could see a little bit of profit booking again till 19,700, and then the whole day might go volatile or consolidating near this whole zone also. So if you open with a very big gap up, we'll do nothing. Only if we open flat or with a small gap up, we'll buy above 19,710 till the target of 19,770 to 775 or maybe 765. Depends on your, depends on you, right? Again, small gap down. We'll also take a trade, but with less quantity below 19,620. We'll go ahead and short till 19,570. 575 to 580 on the downside, right? So yeah, guys, that was it for today. So tomorrow could be again a little volatile. So we'll keep our quantity less for one day and then we'll go aggressive once we get a proper direction of the market, because tomorrow there is also the Fed interest rate decision that's coming out. I think markets will get a little kind of volatile or may not even move that much, right? Because nobody wants to take aggressive positions home before a kind of a major event, right? Although it is not very major, it's kind of known what the Fed will do, but still, maybe people might not like to take big risk, right? But that is something that we'll need to see tomorrow when the market opens. So yeah, we'll keep our quantity less, then we'll go aggressive on the expiry day. So that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.